first equation of motion. The first equation of motion is v is equal to u plus at. Now let's try to prove this equation of motion. So we know that a is equal to dv over dt, where a is the acceleration, which is basically an instantaneous acceleration. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the cross multiplication, and if I do that, I will write dv is equal to a dt. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use the definite integral to prove this equation. So we will take when time t is equal to 0 seconds, velocity is u, which is our initial velocity. When time t is equal to t seconds, our velocity is v, which is our final velocity. Now let's use the definite integral. So what we are going to do, we are going to integrate this equation on both sides. So when we do that, we'll write integration from u to v dv is equal to integration from 0 to t a dt, which is basically this equation right here. If we further simplify, we'll write integration from u to v dv, and then we are going to take this a outside because a is constant, and then that is equal to a integration from 0 to t dt. If we integrate, the integration of dv is v, so we'll write v limit u to v, and integration of t is t, so we'll write that is equal to a t limit from 0 to t. Now let's substitute the values of the limit, and if we do that, we'll write v minus u, which is basically upper limit minus lower limit, is equal to a inside the bracket t minus 0, again upper limit minus lower limit. If we simplify further, we will write v minus u, which is over here, is equal to t minus 0 is t, so we'll write a times t, and a times t is at, which is over here. If we further simplify, we'll take this u to the other side, and we will write v is equal to u plus at. And this is how we can prove first equation of motion.